Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now in this left section we have to tap on sounds and vibration. As you can see, they should be on the second position. And here in the second section, in the right section, we've got the ringtone, notification sound and system sound. So here we've got the options which we can customize, and let me show you how to do it using the ringtone. So let me tap on it. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we've been immediately transferred to the list of all available defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. If you want to, at the very top of the list, we've got the silent option, and it means that after tapping on it, your device won't actually use the ringtone to notify you about anything. So I'm not really sure if it is the best idea, but sometimes it's useful. And in the right upper corner, we've got this plus icon, which is also quite cool because after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. So for example, to the files which you've downloaded and which are of course compatible, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the previous page, let's say, to the defaultly installed ones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example, and maybe volume it down a little bit. So as you can hear, this is how to listen to the particular ringtone. Of course, you can check all of them. And if you are happy with your choice, so for example, if you'd like to set this one as your default ringtone, simply make sure that it is marked like here and go back. And as you can see, after going back, we can see this ringtone section and it is notified right here. So here we've got the name of the particular ringtone which has been picked, and it means that from now on your device will use it to notify you about incoming calls or something. And of course it will work the same with all other options, so the notification and system sound. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.